Still placing Revit grids one by one? There's a faster way. Meet AutoGrid by NStudio, the Revit add-in that generates your entire grid layout in seconds. Simply click AutoGrid from the NStudio ribbon, set your spacing, number of grids, start label, and head position. Choose your origin. Pick a point directly on the canvas or type exact XY coordinates. Hit OK, and your full grid layout is placed instantly, exactly where you need it. No more manual placement, no misaligned grids, no wasted time. Perfect for both architectural and structural plans. Compatible with Revit 2026 and 2027. Get AutoGrid at nstudio.id, link in the description. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Revit productivity tools.